Right now, your exceptional performers are being recruited by your competitors. Not someday, today. The very people driving your business forward, the ones you can't afford to lose, are taking recruiters' calls, weighing offers, and questioning whether your leadership can keep pace with their growth. You're not losing talent because of compensation. You're losing your best people because the leadership infrastructure underneath isn't strong enough to protect performance. And by the time most organizations recognize this, the damage is already done. That's why your Top Performers Blueprint, a competitive advantage game changer, was created. This is a leadership operating system built for companies that refuse to bleed out their top performers year after year. I'm Jim Jensen. Turnover isn't random, it's structural. The Blueprint gives your leaders the tools to build alignment, secure retention, and grow top performers inside your business permanently. Your Top Performers Blueprint, a competitive advantage game changer. Because once top performers start walking, momentum goes out the door with them.